Planning a beach holiday in India is synonymous with planning a trip to Goa. Thanks to its breathtaking beaches, vibrant nightlife, delicious food, historic monuments, and adventure activities on offer, this former Portuguese territory, tucked in the southwestern coastline of India, is already one of the hottest and the most happening party destinations in the country. So here's all you need to know before that long due Goa trip of yours finally happens. Owing to its convenient geographical location, you can easily reach Goa by air, rail, or road.
Dabolim Airport, Madga Railway Station, and Vasco da Gama Railway Station serve as major entry and exit points for the travelers.
If you wish to travel by road, you can take a bus ride or hire a cab from nearby towns and cities. However, we'd rather recommend you take your own vehicle or rent one and drive down from Goa with your gang, especially if you're starting from Mumbai. In fact, you can take the Mumbai Malvan Goa route, which stretches along the coast and recreate the famous Dil Chahta Hai road trip. When it comes to getting around in Goa, renting a bike or scooter remains the most exciting and budget-friendly way to explore the best of Goa, even though you can take local buses or hire taxis. Being the party destination that it is, Goa has all to make sure that you have a memorable beach holidaying experience. Finding accommodation in Goa according to your budget and comfort is as easy as pie. From high-end beachside resorts and hotels to budget hostels, homestays and shacks, Goa welcomes travelers of all kinds. However, Beach Box Hotel in Baga, a one-of-a-kind hotel that has been set up inside a shipping container, makes for a unique stay in Goa. Cliched as it may sound, no Goan holiday is complete without experiencing its typical beach parties, and that's why you must visit the ever-so-lively Anjuna, Calangute, Candolim and Baga Beach. Here, you're more than likely to come across tourists breaking into impromptu dance moves and doing interesting activities like jamming, fire eating and a lot more. If you are a party animal, visiting famous nightclubs and restaurant bars like Tito's Bar and Club, Tubana Nightclub, Silent Noise Club, Cafe Mambos and LPK Waterfront will give you a first-hand experience of the buzzing nightlife in Goa. Not into parties and crowds? Keep calm and visit the lesser frequented beaches like Arambol, Butterfly, Morjim, Bogmalo and Palolem Beach, which are incredibly beautiful and peaceful. If you're a history buff who gets intrigued by the wonders of the bygone era, then you must visit famous historic buildings in Goa such as Bom Jesus Basilica, Say Cathedral, the Church of St. Francis of Assisi and more. And just in case you missed out on taking a road trip from Mumbai to Goa like they did in the famous Dil Chahta Hai movie, stop by at Aguada Fort and Chapora Fort and seize your moment. For adventure-loving souls who don't like to stay indoors, Goan beaches offer a host of adventure water sports including paragliding, kite surfing, snorkeling and much more. Enjoy deep-sea diving at Grand Island and get up close with the enchanting underwater world. And let's not forget the eclectic range of food that this small state has to offer. Famous eateries like Thalassa, which is known for its Greek cuisine, German bakery for its desserts, Infangeria for its breakfast spread, and Fat Fish for the lip-smacking seafood make for an ultimate gourmet experience in Goa. You can always spice up your Goan treat by having Vindaloo, a famous local curry dish usually prepared with a lot of spices. As if all this weren't enough, one standout experience that you should definitely have is taking a beautiful 90-kilometer drive from North Goa all the way to the famous Dudhsagar Falls, which will definitely remind you of the blockbuster Bollywood film Chennai Express. And don't forget to visit the Anjuna Flea Market and take spice plantation tours while you're there. Whether you want to live it up and party all night or simply want to lounge on a pristine beach while sipping on pina colada, Goa is the ideal place to do both. Its allure will make you want to return to the party state for every single vacation. If you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the subscribe icon for more amazing travel videos such as this.